Hello and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be microwaving toothpaste. Oral hygiene is very important. Both myself and Demi, or however you pronounce it, the Sharp Carousel microwave, strongly believe in the importance of oral hygiene. So, to get your toothpaste nice and hot so it can kill those germs better, you just put the toothpaste into the microwave. Okay, let's get rolling. And it took forever, but the toothpaste finally started to squirt out at the end. Minty fresh. As you can see, it sparked a little, but it didn't really spark much more than a wet nap would or a grape. But the fact it makes your microwave smell nice, it's easy to clean up, and it takes away any of those horrid fumes of stuff you might have microwaved before. I'm going to have to declare this a good idea, but just barely. It almost made the bad idea list for that sparkage, but every microwave show needs a little sparkage, and that was not all that bad. Now, if it wouldn't have even shot out at the end, this would have been a bad idea. As you can see, the toothpaste has started to come out of the tube. It just looks absolutely gorgeous for a post-product. This is what microwaving is all about. Final verdict, good idea. But if you try this at home, try not to use something with a lot of metal on it. Use one of those plastic ones.